Tired of juggling multiple tools to track your sales? Wouldn't it be great to have a seamless solution for managing leads, deals, quotes, and invoices? Meet DocuProjects CRM, a unified CRM platform that streamlines your entire sales and revenue process. Everything you need is integrated. No more confusion or manual tracking. How it works. With DocuProjects CRM, you get a central dashboard, real-time tracking, streamlined lead-to-invoice process, complete clarity with visual insights, filter by date and performance, automatic updates to your dashboard, plus clear financial visibility, so you can make informed decisions. With DocuProjects CRM, you'll experience elimination of manual errors, instant revenue updates, growth trend insights for better planning. Your financial status is visually clear. No more missing data. Sounds exciting? DocuProjects CRM.